taste test to do with the Oreo Coca Cola drink and the Oreo Coca Cola cookies. Right? So which one do you want to start with first?
This one. This
The
one.
drink?
Yes.
This one.
Alright, are you all excited to try it?
Yes.
Yes.
Alright, okay, so let's open it. So we bought it today at Massey Stores
Wait
and we put it in the fridge to cool a little bit and then we're gonna try it. So who's gonna try it first? So you Jay, have it.
Yum.
Just take a good taste, take a good taste.
It tastes like Oreos.
Alright, good, Jay, you taste it now.
Yeah, it tastes like Oreos. It just have the Coca Cola in it.
Okay, let's let you taste it now.
I don't taste it like marshmallows. I don't know.
If we taste this,
Well, I like it.
if we taste this,
That's a good combination flavor. It's Oreos and the Coca Cola.
You like how that tastes, eh?
It tastes good. Just give me a little more.
It's just like that.
Oreos.
Just
Take
now,
it
it tastes like
everything.
this now. Alright, let me taste it now.
It tastes like a kind of combination with the thing.
What?
It tastes yummy.
It tastes like a marshmallow. Yes?
Yeah, again, Oreo taste, yeah.
JB has a
Yes,
right. It
like
has
a
a
marshmallow, yeah.
marshmallow kind of a combination
Right.
taste.
It don't taste too bad at all. But I think it needs to be a little cooler.
Yeah, I think
A
a little bit
yeah.
is cold enough.
No, not cool.
And more Oreo in it. Maybe.
But it does taste like a cookie, which is good.
Now let's try the cookie
So right, we're gonna
combination.
try the cookies now.
We
Right, so it's the normal cookie.
So everybody has one each.
Yeah, one each, take one.
Oh my god, it has
Wait, don't
the
eat it yet. Don't eat
Coca-Cola.
it yet.
Do it.
And the Coca-Cola.
And have the Coca Cola on it.
Mm.
And so this is your.
Why you bite it and say don't taste it?
She was kind of.
I accidentally bite
Paper,
it.
so are we ready to taste?
Alright, cheers first. Cheers.
Cheers.
Cheers. Yeah, I don't bite it, sorry. It has a funny smell though.
It tastes good, like Coca-Cola.
But it has a nice crunch of the Oreo crunch.
Yeah, it does. But I feel it does taste a little bit of the Coca-Cola.
Are you already getting Coca Cola cake? You got
Getting
it?
it,
Yeah.
getting it.
I guess it's more you smell it.
I think it's in the
Oh, for that.
aftertaste again.
Yeah. I don't know if I like it too much, but.
Do you like it, JV?
Yeah.
What about Jia? Jia, do you like it?
Yeah.
But Jay, I don't need to touch your whole thing already.
It is good.
I think I prefer the regular Oreos.
It is good.
10 out of 10.
So
Give it 10
so
out of
how
10.
so how you would come, Jay? You have to come back here, come. So how would you rate how would you rate the Coca Cola? You seem to like it.
Yeah.
So how you rate it out of 10? Yeah, 9 out of 10?
Yeah.
Alright, JB, what about the drink? How you rate it?
I'll say I 8 out of 10 of like the marshmallow.
Okay. I mean, how you would rate it? The drink.
I'll do it at 9.
I would probably give it a 8. But when it's cold, I'm sure it will hit differently. Like really, really cold. You know?
But I
And the
got it.
cookies, well, I don't really like the cookies too much, so that's a 5 for me. Jaya, what do you think about the cookies?
What I'm making it.
9 out of 10.
9 out of
JB,
10.
when you say 10 out of 10, you don't like it?
I would say like a 100 out of 10. I am
You
good.
like it?
You really like it?
Yeah.
I get
She said 9. So how much?
That's
are-
fine.
I give you 100
Alright, can I get a little more of
100.
this? Do a little drinking it.
100 out of 100.
So guys, that's our taste test for the Coca Cola Oreo blend thingy. What do they call that? It wasn't too bad at all.
Oh my
Some
God,
chocolate.
wait.
Gia, he know get
A
the beer.
QR code, look.
And it says no sugar, so that's even better.
Let me see
So
it.
let's see what Coca Cola brings out. No, I did.
There is a
Jamie,
QR code on it.
Maybe she didn't drink.